Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I live in beautiful Alaska on an island. And I have the beautiful woods in the back, tall, big trees, gorgeous view here. And crazy thing is, up north where I live, it's like a negative 39 degrees. And here, where I'm at on the island, it's like 30 some degrees. So that's a difference between 70 degrees difference between where I'm at, and I'm in Alaska, and up north it's really cold. So it's like I'm in the banana belt, right? You know, it's beautiful. And one thing I love to do too is take pictures of Alaska. I love that. And I do love multiple streams of income. That is why I wanted to give you a little info about myself. And I love being an entrepreneur. I have the Impact Mailing Club, Abundance Network, and other programs that I earn multiple income with, because it's always a good idea to have multiple incomes. That way, if something were to happen, you're covered. So I highly recommend that. And I have actually 7 grandkids, so they're a bunch of fun. Joy of my life, you know. And that's another reason I like being an entrepreneur. And it's really such a blessing to have grandkids and live in a beautiful place and be able to be home, not have to get up and go out to a job. So if you're looking for something to change your lifestyle so you can be home doing whatever you love, for me it's photography and hanging out with the grandkids and the family. Whatever you want to have more time for, well, check it out. Hey, this is Cheryl Traxler with the Impact Mailing Club, and I want to give you an overview so you could get the facts on what we're all about. This is Rose Almeida. She is the owner of the Impact Mailing Club, and this is a family-owned business, which makes it really incredible because corporate owned we don't want. And Rose has an incredible story that will really blow you away. And I do have her link for her story in my description in my YouTube channel. You definitely want to check that out, her story and how she got where she is. So she is definitely a powerhouse. You want to listen to that story. But she is the owner of the Impact Mailing Club, and they are located in Florida. What is the Impact Mailing Club? Well, it's a lead generation company, and if you can mail letters, you can totally do this, because that is how you get people involved and interested in the system and the lead generation, by mailing letters. That anybody can mail letters and do this. That's what makes it so easy and duplicatable on that end. And then we want to go over the levels. Let's get right into the levels. If you want to join the Impact Mailing Club, there are several levels. Emerald is $100 cost. Your commission is $65. This is also a 2-tier. So the person that comes in at the Emerald level, under your person, you get a $20 referral fee for that. So that is pretty cool. That really is a 2-tier residual. That really is a special extra income with that. For the Ruby level, it's $250. You get $150. And then Tier 2 gets $50. And then there's the Sapphire level, which is a $500 cost, and you get the commission of $300. And if you have someone under your person that gets in, you get $100. So that's pretty cool. Then you have the Diamond level, which is $2,000 to get in. You get the $1,000 commission, and if your person is under someone you sponsor, that puts them on your second tier, which you get the $500 commissions. And then you can see how many leads you get for each level and how much the admin get for each level. So, you know, how many letters can you mail each week? You can really do this. This is the simple referral plan. I love the 2-tier level because it gives you that extra income from somebody else's efforts as well. So that's always really nice addition.
So the Impact Mailing Club, you can get lead packages from them. You can get 1,000 leads for just $150, or 500 leads for just $100, 500 people, and 200 leads for $40. So you want to be focused and consistent. Whatever you decide, you do it consistently. That makes a difference. To mail consistently, whatever works for you right now for your finances. And so the leads are very reasonable, and those that buy leads are in a lead pool. So 15% of the money goes into a lead pool, and if you're part of that pool, if you bought leads that month, then you get a bonus check on that, and they reward you for bringing other people in. So that's pretty cool too, an extra little added income bonus. And then after you sign up, you get in the mail a cover letter and an order form, and when you fill the order form out, it tells you what to do, where to send the money, and all the things you need to know to join, the levels, etc. Then you will get, once you join, you will get a welcome kit. And there I am with my welcome kit, which comes with your order form, your cover letter, your peel and stick labels, unless you get in at the Emerald or Ruby level. Then they'll be electronic, and you just print them out on the label sheets, and then there's instructions in your welcome kit. So that's the first thing you want to get, is your welcome kit. It's so simple to do. They have everything included. And then what happens too, if you're on my team, if you join me, you will get the 100K cover letter. Now this is just for our team. And this special letter brought in 100K in 6 months. So it's pretty incredible to be part of our team as well, because that will give you access to the cover letter that is just for our team with our experts. When we make the money, we share the incredible letter that we'll use for that. And you will get our team support. We have a Facebook group, and we have videos and expert tips with an expert exact blueprint. You get like a 1-year calendar of what we do. So you have, everything included for your success. You've got support, team support, and all that you need to be successful with the direct mail industry, and it is booming. And you can go to princessbosslady.me, and you can get access to the information, the form, everything is there. It explains exactly what I went over, the levels, what you do, how you send your money to your sponsor and their sponsor, and then the admin, as I showed you in the levels, which is pretty cool. So you want to go to that, and we have so much support, and lots of training, lots of people together working to achieve success. So that is pretty much the overview of what is. It's pretty simple, really, about the Impact Mailing Club, and I just invite you to take a look and join us. Be part of our 2020 team and move forward for success in 2020. So thanks for watching the video, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. Bye from Alaska.